All right, everybody, it's 1:13. I've been out here since before sunrise. Got set up behind my Newcomb hunting blind on one of the paths on my property here. Got my decoy out to the right. Did not hear a single thing all morning. Wind wasn't too bad. I have turkey on camera coming by at certain times, so I figured I'd just sit here and wait, see if something came early, and then check to see if something were to come at the times where I see them on camera. But unfortunately, nothing, absolutely nothing. And the next time they come should be around 2:30 supposedly, and then later in the evening. But I don't think I want to stay here that much longer, so I'm going to give it till about 2-3 o'clock, I guess, and then call it. So we'll have to try to come back another day, but that's a little disappointing. I thought for sure I'd be able to harvest a turkey this morning, but didn't get there. Anyway, so in the meantime, I'm going to enjoy this Mountain House ice cream sandwich, freeze-dried, right here. So I'm going to have this snack. And I'm gonna open it and eat it while I'm sitting here. And it's hot. Temperature got back up. I think it's supposed to be the high of 82 today. So I think the cold snaps are finally over. So we'll do a few hunting trips for turkey, and then I think we're gonna have to get to the boat. I need to get that out. So all right, I'm gonna try this. See how good it is. Alright, everybody, so here's the Mountain House. So let's open this up. I'm going to eat it. Okay, that's just this. Looks like a regular size ice cream sandwich. Alright, it's wrapped in this paper. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, freeze-dried ice cream sandwich, very light, and yeah, it's kind of hard to bite into. Well, taste vanilla on the cookie. Yeah, it's interesting. Never had one of these before, but yeah, pretty good. Let me see what it says here. Vanilla. Beans don't look too terrible. Ready to eat, no drip, no mess. Freeze-dried ice cream. Okay. Well, I'm gonna say, yeah, this is pretty cool. Though it is a hot day, I probably would like some ice cream to cool down. I ran out of water. I don't have any waters left, and so that's why I think I'm gonna sit here just for another hour or so, and then by then it's gonna get super hot, and I don't have any liquid, and that leads to dehydration. So I'm just gonna head home. But yeah, this is actually pretty good. So highly recommend if you're looking for some kind of sweet treat that you can definitely very lightweight, doesn't weigh a lot, and throw in your backpack if you're scouting or out me like hunting today and don't want to carry a lot of stuff. I hate carrying big heavy bags when I go hunting. I like to go minimal, and I like to go lightweight gear. But yeah, it's pretty good. So all right, I'm gonna enjoy this, and thanks for watching, and we'll have another video for you soon. So take care. Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.